Good day, traders. This is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach after market update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Monday, November 5th. I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. We had 5 possible trades in the room. One was a break even, and the other one was the other 4 were winners. Small winner here, decent one here. We didn't have a whole lot of movement. S&P right before we closed the room was basically flat. Up a little bit now. NASDAQ down big, and we are going to run through everything here really quick from left to right. First trade, again, in no particular time order. We had an RS trade, an RS trade, and that was at after the 10-18 candle around 27.20. That trade made a couple of good points. I told everybody it had to close below 1750. If it didn't close below 1750, then this is where we were going to see whether this was going to be up on the day for the morning here or down. And you'll see that it did. It made a couple good points, 2.5 points, and that was it. Market came up. We tried to get long in here. We didn't try lower again. We hit this and made about a point and a half, up to a couple points. S play after this red candle here. And then in crude, we had a really nice one that was at 63.87 power play, 11:06 Central Standard Time, and that trade made up 25 ticks, a little bit more. And that was a really nice trade. This was our break even. On this one, I told everybody that the market might need to test a little bit higher. We had an RS, it was actually a 3C, but RS trade, and so we got in, told everybody they'd have to add, and if we have to add, you just have to get out at a break even though it still may come down, and that's exactly what we did. In around 46.50. We added at 150, and it just came down, and no big deal. But if you didn't add, you had to get in at the 51.50, and then you would have made pretty good money. But it was likely only because you had lower, one contract or something like that, and you didn't, want to do that. So you wouldn't have made a whole lot. So 8 to 10 ticks or a break even though that was a really nice thing in the room here. Whenever we, if we don't get in at the right price and we have to add to a position or whatever, we just get out of the trade and we look for the next trade. So that was a beautiful trade. Then we had news coming up and things like that. And then we hit a ZL here, and that was a nice trade. A ZL, I hit that right after the 11 o'clock candle, 69.1275. I told everybody I was hitting it up a little bit higher, around 14.15, but candle closed 12.75, and it made down 25 ticks, and that was it. We thought about getting back into it again up here, but that was the same time. If you look at the time, that was the same time the crude triggered. So we did not get back, and we were looking for this move here. And we got, we got 25 ticks, but we were looking for this bigger move here. But then the crude triggered. So, we have 3 markets up here. We're getting into different days, and that one made nice. So we're going to come back tomorrow and do it all over again. Until then, everybody have a great day, and we'll see everybody back tomorrow on the other side. Check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com, and hopefully we'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.